This hair is giving. Today I'm going to be using the T3 Micro Aire 360 to do my hair. I'm actually going to show you guys the best way to use this hair tool if you already have it or if you've been wanting to buy it. This includes 3 attachments, I believe, and this was sent to me. I do have the pink one, but they sent me the green one now, and I really wanted to use it because it's just so adorable. The color on this one, oh my god, so nice. Like, check this out. Look at that case. That stunning mint color. How freaking cute. And I really like that this also comes in the case already. I mean, so stunning. Check this out. It even has like little pockets inside, as you can see, to put the attachments. This is the oval brush attachment. As you can see, it has nylon and boar bristles. And it's a pretty good big size, so you're able to take pretty big sections. I mean, this color, so pretty. This also includes 2 curling barrels. These are my favorite attachments. As you can see, they're also in the mint color, and you do get 1 for each side. And this is the base. Let's do a quick ASMR moment. I'm not the best at ASMR, but look at this color. As you can see, you get 3 different heat settings, 3 different speed settings. We're gonna use the drying attachment very quickly just to rough dry my hair. But first, if you know where that's from, comment down below. Before we get into drying my hair, I'm gonna use the Amika Frizz-Me-Not Hydrating Anti-Frizz Treatment. This literally replaces your leave-in conditioner, your heat protectant, your detangler. It is so good. It helps prevent frizz. I'll link it right here through YouTube Shopping if you guys wanna check it out. So I'm just applying this everywhere. It makes my hair feel amazing. And this is a good prepping product. A good way to start any routine, even if you wanna leave your hair natural. This is an amazing product. And I'm just gonna brush my hair. And now I'm gonna turn this on and use this to kind of rough dry my hair a little bit. Let's do highest heat setting, highest speed. I don't wanna dry my hair too much. This is definitely drying my hair pretty well. Let's take this off and use the round brush attachment. Whenever you use a hair tool that is this gorgeous, that has this beautiful color, it just like changes the vibe. I don't know, you know, more fancy. And I'm gonna divide my hair into a couple of different sections, and we're just gonna get right into drying the hair. I start by rough drying my hair just a little tiny bit, not too much. Then I'll use the round brush attachment, which I'm gonna use now to dry all of my hair. So I'll show you guys how I do that. And then we'll keep going with the other steps. All right, let's move on to the round brush attachment. I'm gonna use this in the highest heat setting, highest speed. This round brush attachment is really good. I really like it, and I feel like it's really smoothing out my curly hair super well. I really like that this hair tool gets pretty hot, so I'm able to get a pretty smooth blowout. I also feel like it's giving me a pretty quick dry, and I've always really liked this round brush attachment. I'm sure that in the winter, I would be just fine with just a blowout with this hair tool, but now that it's the summer and it's very hot and humid outside, I definitely need a little bit of a straightener at the roots. But for the most part, this is giving me a pretty nice blowout. And I feel like I'm drying my hair super quickly. I'm gonna time this to let you guys know how long it takes me to do all my hair. But so far, this is giving me such a quick blowout, and it looks pretty smooth as well. All right, you guys, it took me about 22 minutes to do all my hair, just to blow it out. I am gonna do a couple more steps, so not bad at all. I feel like my roots could be a little bit more smooth. A heated round brush would definitely help smooth out the roots a little bit, or a straightener, which is actually what I'm gonna use now because it is too humid outside, and I know my hair is gonna get a little bit frizzy, especially at the root. So after I straighten just the roots, I am gonna do some curls with the T3 Micro Aire 360. If your hair is not as curly as mine, you could be okay with just a blowout, but I do need a little bit of help with the roots just to smooth it out a little bit. I'm gonna be using this adorable T3 Micro straightener that I actually got in a PR package from Garnier, and oh my god, isn't it gorgeous? And it has my initials. I'm obsessed with this. So I'm just gonna straighten the roots, literally just the roots, because I want my hair to still look pretty voluminous for the next step. So that's all you're gonna do. So as you can see, just straightening the roots. This is optional. Of course, you don't have to do this step, but I'm doing it because I'm going out now and it's too hot outside. I have very curly hair and I need it. I need it if I want my hair to look good and my blowout to last a couple days. So I'm just gonna do the roots. I almost always use a straightener after a blowout in the summer with any hair tool, not just this one. Even on like day 2 if I want to touch up my blowout or whatever, because these roots literally get so like curly right away. I mean, here's a quick before and after. Before, you can see still a little wavy. I guess the big round brush also doesn't help get really close to the roots, so that's another thing to keep in mind. So yeah, before and after. And if you already have a straightener at home, this could be just like a quick little added step to this routine. Or if you have a heated round brush, this could also help smooth out the hair. As you can see, it just looks a lot better now. The step that takes the longest is definitely blowing it out. Now just adding a little bit of a straightener to the roots is way quicker. That looks a lot better. T3 Micro also has really good straighteners. I've been using their straighteners, I can't even remember. It's been at least 5 years. So if you want a good straightener, T3 has really good options. If you want something more affordable, I recommend the Wavy Talk. But yeah, this straightener is also really nice. It's so nice and beautiful. Yeah, as you can see, just straightening the roots before I go in with the curling barrels. Also, if you only straighten the roots, it's a lot better for your hair. Like, it's less damaging than straightening all your hair. So if you haven't tried this, you definitely should. This could be the solution to your problems right now in the summer. I'm telling you, a little bit of a straightener at the roots makes a big difference. Okay, you guys, this looks much better. Definitely use a straightener if you need to. And I only used it for the roots. So as you can see, I still have some volume on the ends, which is nice. So let's take off the round brush and let's just start curling the hair with this. As you can see, these have arrows. So this one is going this way. So I'm gonna curl this side with this barrel. And you guys will see how well the Coanda effect is on this hair tool. This is something that I've always liked about this hair tool, the Coanda effect. Just grab the hair super well. Look at that. As you can see, it gave me a little curl. I love that. So now I'm gonna clip this section and set it for a little bit. And let's just continue to do the rest of the hair. And release, and look at that beautiful bouncy curl. I'm gonna do that to all my hair and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, I let my hair set for a little bit. I did a quick outfit change because I'm gonna go out now. So yeah, I definitely am excited to see how my hair turned out. I mean, look at that curl, so nice. Let's do this one. My hair's so soft too, by the way. Bam. All right, love that. Look at that bounce, I mean, what? And these last two in the top here. Love it. Now I'm gonna zhuzh it up a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. This is from Herbal Essences. Have been really liking this. So I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit. Even that is a bit much. Let's see. I think that should be enough. And let's just zhuzh it up a little bit. I'm obsessed with the shine. I love how soft my hair is right now, how bouncy it looks. And it looks really healthy even after using a straightener just for the roots. As you can see, it looks a lot more smooth up here, but I still have a bounce on the bottom, which is like my ideal look, honestly. So this is the best way to use this hair tool. If you have curly hair like me and if you want your hair to last for days, definitely do all the steps that I did. I mean, use the round brush. Then if you need a little bit of a straightener, don't feel guilty and just use it. I mean, if you need it, just use it, even just for the roots. And then use the curling barrels to curl the rest of your hair. I know I used a straightener for the roots, but this is giving. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do for the good hair days, you know? If you use heat protectant and if you mainly just use it on the roots, your hair should be just fine, I promise you. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. I love the green vibes. I'm here for it. I mean, so cute. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to check out any of these hair tools and products, I'll tag them right here through YouTube shopping. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much.